Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to connect your Shopify newsletter subscribers to ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with Shopify. Head over to the Zapier dashboard, click Create, and then select Zaps. If you need any assistance, the Copilot feature is there to help guide you. Choose both ConvertKit and Shopify from the list of options and enter the required details on the right side of the screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and input the API key for ConvertKit. Go to ConvertKit, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you paste it, click Yes. Connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Repeat this process to log into your Shopify account and connect it with ConvertKit. After that, configure your settings and click Publish, and you're good to go. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. Before we wrap up, I'd like to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds interesting to you, click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.